Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of CorMemory, and on today's video we are going to be making Roblox GFX. We're going to be doing some graphic design, and if you don't have Photoshop or anything, do not worry, we're going to be using paint.net, which is actually free. So I'll have a link down below to actually get this so you can download it and do this tutorial with me. So let's actually get into it. So I'm going to click on stop. Now, I only use free models in the instances where it has no viruses, or if it's a green screen and I'm not going to use it after I use it for the first time. So, you know, there's a skybox and everything, but how about I just get a simple one like this? I always like simple, but I think I'm going to use a bigger one. For some reason this one has like a chair in it. I'm going to get rid of that. So I actually use a plugin that is called let me find it, load character. So you can put in the name of anyone and you'll find it. So I'm just going to put in my character, spawn R15. Now it has a name over there. I'm just going to fix it by renaming it and pressing space. So in this GFX, I only want my head, so I'm not actually going to use any of this. Oh, now I'm naked. Everything is gone except for the head. So this looks weird now, but it will actually make sense soon. So I'm just going to place it somewhere, and I'm going to center it up once I actually get into this. So I'm going to do Windows, Shift, and S here. So it should come up, I'm not sure if you guys see this, but it should come up with a snipping tool. Now you're just going to take a snip of it. So now I'm going to go into paint.net, and I'm going to resize it to actually 500 by 500. And then I'm going to paste it in here. And boom. So we have this. Now we actually do not need to use this anymore. Discard, so it will not save the changes. Okay, so now this looks pretty good, but we are going to make it look better. And to do this, we're going to click on the box with a plus sign on it to make a new layer. Now we are going to outline it with black. Okay, so we are finished. Now, all we have to do is take the base colors. So what I mean by that is go into the background and take out this tool by the pencil and eraser. So now we're going to take the color picker, we're going to put it on the face and get the face's color. So now we're going to go onto the other layer, and then we are going to fill it out. So now it has that. Okay, so now that we have the base color, just do the same thing with the hair. Now my hair in this, it's very dark. So now we can just fill this out, and boom, you've got your GFX, except we can do more with this. we can add a layer, put it below the head. Now my favorite color is actually purple, so if I just put in the background this, now that looks pretty cool. But I'm going to add another layer and darken this even more, so then I can just make a shadow that's below going down from the head. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. Now you can obviously do a lot more with this. This is just gonna be BASIC GFX. If you want to save it, you just click on File, then Save As, and then go to wherever you want to save it, and then go down to JPEG or PNG. Those are the two I use. So JPEG, and then be like BASIC ROBLOX GFX. Now that's what I do, but I am not going to export this since this is not something that I'm ever going to use. I'm just showing you guys how, like, what you can do with this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe, click the notification bell to never miss another upload. But that's all for this video. Comment down what you want to see me make in the future. I'll see you later, and bye.